Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to do past perfect continuous tense. Past means the time that has gone. Perfect means the action that has been completed. Continuous means the action that is still in process. So we can say that this tense is different than the other one because in this we deal with the perfect as well as continuous tense. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ऐसा काम जो माजी में मुकम्मल हो चुका है लेकिन अभी भी जारी है. This tense is somehow same with the present perfect continuous tense but with the difference of time because in this we are going to deal with the past and in that tense we dealt with the present. So the ideology of this tense would be इन फिक्रात के आखिर में वक्त की मियाद के साथ रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता है. So if you look back into the ideology of past continuous tense, that was somehow the same. Then what is the difference between past perfect continuous tense and past continuous tense? So the only difference is the time that they have given in this ideology. For example, in past continuous, the sentence would be बारिश हो रही थी. But if you talk about past perfect continuous tense, then that would be सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी. So now in this tense, they have given us the time of morning. That create difference between past continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. Let's discuss about the methodology of this tense. Methodology of affirmative sentences is, first of all we have subject, then had, as if this tense is the mixture of past perfect and past continuous tense. So first of all we are going to talk about past perfect tense. Here we have had that we use in the past perfect tense and the third form. So been is the third form that we have used after had. So we may say that this condition has satisfied past perfect. Now we have to fulfill the condition of continuous. So in continuous we use first form of the verb with ing. So that we have used in this tense as well. Then object, since and for, and then time. Since we use with the point of time and for we use with the period of time. Then we have the methodology of negative sentence. To show negation, we first of all we have subject, had, not been, first form of the verb with ing, object, since for, and then time. Then we have interrogative methodology to show question form. For this had we are going to put at the beginning of the sentence to make it a question form. Then subject, been, first form of the verb with ing, object, since and for, time, and a question mark. That's the table we have to show when to use since and when to use for. Since we use with the exact time and for we use with the period of time. For example, since we'll be using with the 7 o'clock, since Thursday with the name of week and the month's name with the exact year, with the exact date, morning, evening, or any time of the day. And for we use where exact time has not been given. For example, 5 hours, 4 days, 3 months, 2 years, 6 weeks, 10 minutes, 2 nights. So that's how we use since and for. We have exercise number 1 on page number 105. In this exercise we have affirmative sentences. First one we have लोग 2 घंटे से आग बुझा रहे थे. They have given 2 घंटे, that is period of time, so we'll be using for. The people had been extinguishing the fire for 2 hours. Number 2. तुम 3 दिन से मजमून लिख रहे थे. You had been writing an essay for 3 days. Number 3. मैं दोपहर से तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. I had been waiting for you since noon. Number 4. आप मार्च से चीनी का कारोबार कर रहे थे. You had been dealing in sugar since March. Number 5. हमीद 3 माह से पौधे लगा रहा था. Hamid had been planting the plants for 3 months. Number 6. कुत्ते शाम से भौंक रहे थे. Dogs had been barking since evening. Number 7. गीदड़ 25 मिनट से चीख रहे थे. Jackals had been howling for 25 minutes. Number 8. मुर्गा सुबह से अजान दे रहा था. Cook had been crowing since morning. Dear students, remaining sentences are going to be your homework. Now we have exercise number 2 on page number 106. In this exercise, we have the sentences of negative. Number 1 we have तुम्हारा भाई कई दिनों से घर का काम नहीं कर रहा था. Your brother had not been doing homework for many days. Number 2. डाकिया इतवार से अपने हलके की चिट्ठियां नहीं ला रहा था. The postman had not been bringing letters of his beat since Sunday. Number 3. बच्चा 7 बजे से दूध नहीं पी रहा था. The child had not been drinking milk since 7 o'clock. Number 4. माहीगीर सोमवार से मछलियां नहीं पकड़ रहे थे. The fishermen had not been catching fish since Monday. Number 5. मजदूर 6 अक्टूबर से कुआं नहीं खोद रहे थे. The laborers had not been digging well since the 6th of October. Number 6. लड़का 2 घंटे से खिलौना लेने के लिए इसरार नहीं कर रहा था. The boy had not been insisting on getting a toy for 2 hours. Number 7. बकरियां सुबह से खेतों में नहीं चर रही थीं. The goats had not been grazing in the fields since morning. Number 8 we have तालिबे इल्म पिछले कई दिनों से स्कूल में हाजिर नहीं हो रहा था. The student had not been attending school for the last several days. Dear students, remaining exercise is going to be your homework. Now we have exercise number 3 on page number 107. In this exercise we have interrogative sentences. Number 1 we have क्या चांद शाम से चमक रहा था. Had the moon been shining since evening. Number 2. क्या मियाँ दाद 3 घंटे से दौड़ें बनाता रहा था. Had मियाँ दाद been scoring runs for 3 hours. Number 3. क्या जहांगीर 1980 से स्क्वैश के मैच जीत रहा था. Had जहांगीर been winning squash matches since 1980. Number 4. तुम्हारा भाई कब से मेजबानी करता रहा था. Since when had your brother been hosting? Number 5. क्या तुम 2 दिन से बर्फबारी से लुत्फानंदोज होते रहे थे. Had you been enjoying snowfall for 2 days? Number 6. क्या कुत्ता तुम्हें 5 मिनट से काटता रहा था. Had the dog been biting you for 5 minutes? Number 7. क्या ये डाकिया इस हल्के की चिट्ठियां 1983 से ला रहा था. Had this postman been bringing letters of this beat since 1983? Number 8. क्या इसका भाई 5 माह से इस दफ्तर में मुलाजमत नहीं कर रहा था. Had his brother not been working in this office for 5 months? Dear students, remaining sentences are going to be your homework. And perfect continuous would never be changed into passive voice.